Bro, where na you? Dito na mi. Umu? Uwu? Ano? Malilate ka? Almost there, Doc. Fur, NGL? No cap? Ano daw? Doc, you're so boomer. Wow.
Doc G, I'm here na!
Alika dito nga. Ano itong mga pinagsasabi mo?
Doc G, you're such a boomer!
Boomer?
Alam mo, Doc G, yan na talaga yung uso ngayon sa mga Gen Z. At yan ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon, only here on G-Talks.
Hello everyone! I'm Doc Gia Season at nandito na nga, kahit late, ang favorite nating wingman na si Bro.
Guys, sobrang excited ako dahil pag-uusapan natin today, mga Gen Z, and feeling ko #relate.
Disclaimer, hindi naman ibig sabihin na hindi namin mag-get sa mga Gen Zs. We would just like to know you a little bit better dito sa episode na Gen Zs Explain.
So Gen Zs, pinanganak yan between 1997 and 2012. So usually we have technology at our fingertips. Ang generation namin, Doc, sobrang open-minded, which means kami din po yung pinaka-least conservative.
Yeah, nakikita ko nga kaya nga parang yung mga slang nyo, hindi ko magets.
Doc, yung FR, that means for real. Meron tayong sheesh, not gonna lie, that's NGL. Tapos no cap means no lies, legit.
Ano yung sinabi mo sa akin na boomer? Ano yun?
That's your generation, Doc.
Parang out of date ako, ganon.
Di naman, Doc. Andun ka pa. There din tayo, Doc. Riz. You know Riz,
Ano
Doc?
yung Riz?
Doc, can I see your hands?
Uh-oh.
Tapos titingnan kita ganyan. Oh, that's Riz. Parang papakiligin ka, ganun.
Ano yung Amazing talaga. So, ano naman tong uwu?
Para siyang pakit lang. Pwede mo nga lagyan ng ganun eh.
Uwu. May tinatawag tayong generational gap. And for me, that has to close somehow so that we can work cohesively. Based on my experience, may mga naka-work akong Gen Zs and they're a happy bunch. At saka, sobrang creative. Based on studies, sila talaga yung mga motivated by fair pay and job security. Let's face it, mas mahirap ang mabuhay ngayon. Diba? With all those price hikes, nangyari pa yung pandemic. Napansin ko sila ang nagpa-prioritize sa healthy work-life balance.
Ang napapansin ko naman sa Gen Zs is iba yung atake namin sa love. Sa amin, love is unconventional. And also, Doc, when it comes to romantic relationships, we prioritize emotional connection.
Teka lang, when you say emotional connection, yan ba yung liniligawan nyo?
Hindi na kasi masyado uso ngayon yung ligaw-ligaw kasi with the rise of technology, marami na tayong dating apps. Pag nandun sila sa dating app, that means willing sila makipag-relationship.
Right. How about naman yung angle ng as much as possible? Parang gusto nyo laging single kayo, independent.
Hindi kami nagpapaka-single just because we want to be single. Ang ipaprioritize mo na talaga ngayon, sarili mo muna bago ka pumasok sa relationship. We want to be complete before we enter a relationship.
Ano sinasabi ko sa inyo guys na that's how deep they think.
Right now, we have access sa internet. Sobrang bilis ng information. Napakabilis naming maging woke. Woke means being aware.
That's a good part about you guys kasi kayo yung very active sa mga movements. Tapos kayo pa yung life ng party.
Parang naka-battery.
That's true. And how about yung mga trends nyo? Where do you find that?
Yun yung mga nagpapasaya sa amin. So sometimes po, we do that to cope with everything that's going on.
Iba-iba kasi tayong ways how to deal with how difficult life is.
And to make life sweet, dapat i-accept natin that change is the only constant thing in this world.
Thanks to this episode, mas naiintindihan ko ang mga Gen Zs. Kasi others would condemn them saying that they're too weak. Some would praise them. But I think it's a balance of both. And I always say this na lahat naman tayo, we learn from each other. And that's the importance of being open to different types of generation. Kasi it's a boring life if we keep on sticking to how we are now. So I guess that's how to close the gap. Understand each other, get the lessons, impart lessons as well, and respect. respect that generations differ from each other.
Doc, I super agree. Kaya alam mo, Doc, may tuturo pa ako sa inyo.
Meron? O sige, ano yun?
Alam mo yung selfie dati?
Okay.
Ang tawag namin dyan ngayon, 0.5 selfie. O,
Okay.
smile ka, Doc.
So that's the Gen Z selfie. Kita mo, ang dami nating natutunan ngayon. And with that, join us again for the next episode of G Talks.
See you guys! Ooh!